some technical analysis for Bitcoins, this cryptocurrency, since it's been a long time that we're quiet with regards regarding to the technical analysis of this cryptocurrency. Because I am busy with my YouTube channel, and now that I am monetized, I have time to concentrate to this because of some intermittent signal of the internet connection while on board ship because of some major repairs of the maybe the major lines of the net, the connections of the telco. Okay, so but we're back now. Mcnicks will give some technical analysis for this cryptocurrency. Okay, guys. Since there is a massive drop of prices for the cryptocurrency, but we will try to check because there are some predictions that they say that this will fall until drops below 36,000, but until there are some analysts that it will fall until what 10,000 in 2022. But I think we will check for this long term. Huh? So if we will check the monthly, we'll start from the monthly for this. Okay, guys, for the monthly, we will check on the weekly. Okay, I guess okay, I get. We will consider that this monthly, since this is May 8th for the date is 8, and then it is not yet in the mid of month of May, but there is some bullish bearishness of the volume. No? So, but if I will check for this how long these prices will drop, I think if we will check this area, this level here, that level, since this is the monthly 260 moving averages, this one, this will continue to drop, but I think it's not since here we will check here there's imbalance of prices here, that level. Okay, so we will consider this is the support here, strong level support or demand, wherein we will make some horizontal line of this one. Prices may tend to reach that level, and then it will drop, and then again it will check for the monthly. It's still too far. Maybe these prices will drop even hitting the 60 at this level. Let me check this level. The predictions that TV say that it will drop until 10,000. It may be still continue dropping, but you have to be watchful because in weekly time frame here's weekly time frame, it will make some rejection here. Maybe here a little bit. We find the daily. Okay, it's the daily. Here, daily. This you can see, guys, this is the one. Okay, yeah, you got it. Okay. Here in the daily, there is this level is a support wherein prices may reject. If you want to trade this one, guys, you can buy on that level until here, and then again, when hitting the 60 above, it will drop. So in the monthly, over it will drop until here or even lower, hitting this so-called 10,000. Yeah, 10,000. There's a possibility. I think Bitcoin will keep on dropping, but there are some corrections because in a monthly, Bitcoin will continue to drop, maybe until you have to be aware of this 60 moving averages or here on that level, because it will, once it will touch that 60 moving average, then again make some upward correction, then drop. So there might be a here, dropping here, then correction, drop here, correction, drop until here. So overall, the predictions of the market analyst, it seems that I will concur that in the long term it will continue to drop, but same as like this one, drop, and then if we will check for the what is the pivot point of this. So again, guys, this is the upon hitting 38.2, then again drop. So if it will drop until here, then again make some correction, then drop until maybe 10,000. It will be drop until 10,000. So again, guys, this is my Mcnicks technical analysis. I will concur with the analyst that in the long term it will continue to drop, but it will climb, but again drop. So this is the one, drop, and then correction, drop, then here, then correction, drop until 10,000. So guys, for me, Bitcoin for the long term is bearish. It will show bearishness based on the other, since the volume is shown that there's a volume, bearish volume is not ideal to trade upward. Okay, guys, so you can trade upward, but on short term only, but then your bias for the long term is bearish for this crypto. Okay, guys, that is Mcnicks analysis for the Bitcoin, and then another maybe gold. I will make some analysis of it, but I will reiterate, I will recap that I will concord with the market watch analysis that it will, there is no sign that it will rise. It will make some upward correction, but again the bias will continue to drop, even breaking the 60 moving averages until hitting the 10,000. Okay, thank you. That's for Mcnicks analysis. I hope this will give you, but I will trade this one through every 4 hours to 1 hour by scalping. Maybe if I have some strong signal of tomorrow this Bitcoin, I will make some scalping. Okay, so I will show my live trade scalping once I have a stable internet connection, when I am already back at the port where I have some very reliable internet connection. Okay, guys, that's for all for this Bitcoin.